This week, Emma asks, Anna, I have a few days off coming up and I want to take advantage of the downtime. What's the biggest bang for my buck in terms of results? Emma, everyone's go-to treatment around here when we have a couple of days and we want to look amazing is Clear and Bright. Clear and Bright is the baby halo that you've probably heard so much about. Clear and Bright is the non-ablative fractionated laser that gently yet very effectively eradicates deep down sun damage, reds, and tone texture. So if it was me and I had a couple of bucks to spend and a few days to relax at home, I would definitely go for the Clear and Bright.